Let's dive right into our comparison between Wix and Adobe Portfolio. These two platforms are popular choices when it comes to website building and portfolio management. Wix is known for its intuitive drag and drop interface, while Adobe Portfolio comes with the Creative Cloud package and offers a sleek, professional look. Both platforms cater to different user needs and have their unique selling points. In terms of features, Wix provides a wide range of options, including e-commerce, blogging, and booking services. It also offers numerous templates and customization options. On the other hand, Adobe Portfolio is more focused on showcasing your work. It provides clean, customizable layouts and easy integration with Behance and Lightroom. However, it lacks some of the advanced features that Wix offers. When it comes to pricing, Wix offers a free basic plan and several premium plans starting from $14 per month. Adobe Portfolio, on the other hand, doesn't provide a free plan but is included in the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, which starts from $9.99 per month. This could be cost effective if you're already using other Adobe products. User experience is another crucial aspect. Wix's drag and drop interface is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to build a website. Adobe Portfolio, while also easy to use, requires a bit more technical knowledge and understanding of Adobe's ecosystem. It's particularly suited for creative professionals who are familiar with Adobe's suite of tools. In terms of integrations, Wix has a broader range, offering connections with popular platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook, and MailChimp. Adobe Portfolio, while not offering as many integrations, seamlessly connects with Adobe's creative tools such as Lightroom and Behance, providing a more streamlined workflow for creative professionals. Performance-wise, both Wix and Adobe Portfolio offer reliable and fast-loading websites. However, Wix has an edge with its ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence feature that automatically optimizes your site for mobile devices and search engines. Adobe Portfolio, on the other hand, doesn't have a similar feature. Security and support are also important considerations. Wix offers robust security features, including SSL encryption, and its support includes 24/7 phone and ticket support. Adobe Portfolio also provides SSL encryption and has a comprehensive help center, but doesn't offer 24/7 support. In terms of scalability, Wix's wide range of features and integrations make it a good choice for businesses looking to expand. Adobe Portfolio, however, is more focused on showcasing creative work and may not be as scalable for growing businesses. The winner between Wix and Adobe Portfolio largely depends on your specific needs. Wix is the winner for its wide range of features, user-friendly interface, and scalability, making it ideal for small to medium businesses. Adobe Portfolio, while lacking in some areas, shines for creative professionals who want a platform that integrates seamlessly with the Adobe ecosystem. Thank you for joining us in this comparison between Wix and Adobe Portfolio. We hope this has given you a clearer understanding of both platforms to help you make an informed decision. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Stay tuned for our next video.